Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is Roger Lloyd. And today, I'm very proud to tell you about a product that is just doing one thing, making me money, but residual income, as I always like to tell you about. That's money that is being made that I physically don't have to go do anything for. But I can't take the credit. I have to give it to CTI Pro's Choice. They have done it again. Now, we already know they make a line of great cleaning agents for odor removal, smoke removal, even mold odor removal. But today, they have shown us a way that we can make money by removing not just the physical odor, but the psychological odor. Now you're talking. Now you're making money. Let me explain. This is the new VDT 4200 CTI Pro's Choice VDT 4200. This is the vapor delivery tunnel. Now, I know what you're saying. Hey, Roger, man, you always trying to toss something good. But what's this? What's this whole sales spill? I'm glad you asked. It's not a sales spill because it's about to make you some money. Because I'm going to explain to you how I use it and how I make one thing, residual income. So, without further ado, this is what the side of it looks like. Nothing fancy. Just a little fan vent hole, and then it's the tunnel. Hence the word vapory tunnel. So, guys and ladies, I would like to show you right here how simple this is and how it works. So, here's the adapter, the plug. That plugs right in the back of the box here. And this is the little cartridge the cartridge holder. So, right here, these are the cartridges. This one right here says smoke odor. Right there, as big as that. So, this is for smoke. But let's go with the most common. Well, we deal with a lot of smoke odor too. But we're going to go with the urine odor. Right there. So, it's real simple. You cut this little foil package open and you take out the cartridge. And then right here on this charger plate here, you just put the cartridge right on one of these little pins, just like that. And then what I do, so it'll hold the charge for at least a week or so, well, really about 30 days. I just cut a little slit right along the opening of this plastic and then just let it sit. And then just like that, I put it right in the side here. Excuse me. Just like that. I plug it in. Right here in the back, there's a little place for the plug. I just plug it right in. And voila. And what I tell the client is, I would like to leave this in her home for about a week. And what I'm going to do is, what it's going to do for her, this is going to remove any odors in her airflow in her home that's circulating. What I like to explain is, the carpet is the second largest filter in your home, works in conjunction with the largest filter in your home, which is your HVAC system. So now that we removed the physical odor from where it was emanating from, let's take care of the rest of the odor and the airflow. For $10 a day, ladies and gentlemen, for $10 per day, the VDT 4200 vapor delivery tunnel will make you additional profits. Are you kidding me right now? This is the answer to psychological odor removal. Ladies and gentlemen, This is part of the carpet cleaning world revolution. And you can call me. You can go to proschoicesupply.com, or you can just inbox me today. Let me send you a link so we can get one of these to you. Buy 5 of them. Heck, if you can buy 10 of them, buy 10 of them. Let these VDT 4200s vapory delivery tunnels make you some money today. But that's not even the best of it. I just showed you the urine cartridge right here. I just showed you the smoke cartridge right here. But it doesn't stop there. A lot of people have mold odors. They have a mold cartridge. They even have a cartridge called dumpster. I'm afraid what that cartridge is going to do, but it works. CTI, Pro's Choice, has thought it out. They already gave you great physical odor removal cleaning agents, but now they made a product for psychological odor removal. Inbox me today. Don't think about it. Don't think long, because if you think long, you done thought wrong. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is part of the carpet cleaning world revolution. Remember, the fortune isn't in the job you're doing today. The fortune is in the follow-up. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Hopefully, I'll see you in my inbox.